Hi, my name is Brian, and for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use your lip liner in various different ways. You can go from a natural all the way to a look that will make your lips pop. For our first look, we're gonna do a more natural look, and for that, you'll be needing your nude lip liner with your favorite nude lipstick. First step to every lip look is to hydrate your lips. The trick to lip lining is to follow the natural curves of your lip. You're basically just creating a shadow so that your natural lip line and lip shape will show up. Once that is done, you just fill in the rest of your lips. Filling in your lip with a lip liner will not only highlight the natural shape of your lip, but will also make your lipstick last longer. Once you finish your nude lip liner, you grab your favorite nude lipstick and just apply your lipstick as so. You don't have to be perfect here because your lip liner already created the shape, so it makes it easier to apply your lipstick. And that's how you create a monochromatic nude lips. For the second look, you'll be doing the same process but with a darker lip liner to make sure that you emphasize the shape of your lip and make your lips pop. I always start in the middle to make sure my lips is symmetric, and I work my way out and down. Once you finish outlining your lips, you want to fill in the rest of your lip by trying to create a gradient, darker at the bottom and then lighter in the middle. You don't have to be perfect on this part because you're going to apply your lipstick by the end of it. Once that is done, you just apply your favorite nude lipstick. And that's how you make your nude lips pop with a little bit of lip liner. This next look is inspired by the one and only Kylie Jenner. I'll be showing you how to overline to achieve those Kylie Jenner lips. The trick to overlining is to follow the natural curve of your lip and then proceed with the overlining after. So we'll start off with just doing a line where your lip naturally is. You don't want to overline your whole lip or it will look too obvious. So you want to stay within the natural curves of your lip and overline up here and down here to create a pout. So right now I'm just lining my lip. Once you finish with lining your lip, you grab a darker lip liner and you overline on the top and at the bottom. So you're going just above where you already put it in the liner. You start right here like we did in the beginning. We want to start in the middle and work our way out. Try not to overline here and here to create a poutier, more voluptuous lips. And the last step is finding the right lip shade that will match your natural lip and apply all over. And finish it off with a little bit of highlight in the Cupid's bow. Voila! And that's how you overline to achieve a fuller lips. And for this last look, I'll be showing you the easiest way to use the lip liner to create the most natural look. And for this look, you'll be needing a lip liner that matches your favorite red lipstick. So all you'll be doing is applying the lip liner at the inner aspect of your lip. This is just to add a little bit of color to your lips. Once you're done with the liner, you grab your favorite red lipstick and apply it in the middle. Try to concentrate the color in the middle to create the most natural lip. And voila! And that's how you achieve a super easy natural look. It just looks like your regular lips but better.